visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa paligid. Now, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know to believe in the divine timing kasi this is a timeless reading. So whenever you see the message is also meant to find you, no? Wow, the emperor. The emperor supposedly, no, na sobrang maayos, sabihin nating nandiyan yung pagkakaroon ng schedules, nandiyan yung pagkakaroon ng fluidity, communication, transparency, ng pagiging sobrang planchado, no? But the thing here is with the King of Cups. I feel like ito yung gusto nating mangyari. Ang ginagawa kasi ni person dito is hindi siya masyado nagsasalita, kumbaga may reservation si person. Tayo naman, we're doing everything para at least ma-meet yung expectation ni person, no? Ma-meet yung mga needs niya. Pero hindi kasi siya pala salita. So ang ginagawa natin, para siguro ang nafe-feel natin dito, nasasayang yung aking time, energy, effort, nasasayang yung aking lakas, no? Kasi kung mas okay sana kung direkta na lang sinabi sa akin, no, what kind of relationship this is, saan kami patungo, hanggang dito lang ba kami, are we going to have a reconciliation? So, may mga pagkakataon na nagpakumbaba na rin tayo. May mga pagkakataon na naibigay na rin natin yung 100% na natin. Pero it seems like not enough, no? With the King of Cups, parang si person kasi, maski siya hindi niya alam kung ano yung kailangan niya. So, nahihirapan tayo. Parang gusto natin sana siyang pasayahin, pero how, no? Kung siya hindi niya alam. With the Death card. So, may fluctuations of energy dito. So, pwedeng si person, minsan giving, minsan emotional, minsan parang tuod, no? Minsan parang hangin, dadaanan ka lang, hindi ka nakikita. So, ang hirap, kumbaga, ang hirap ilugar ng sarili ko sa'yo. Parang that's the actual word, no? Paano ko ilulugar yung sarili ko sa'yo kung hindi ko alam kung nasaan ako, 'di ba? With the Queen of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. So parang ang nakikita natin dito, kinausap mo naman na siya, no? Siguro nagkaroon to na-resolve natin to for quite a while. Pero eto na naman, bumabalik na naman, no? Bumabalik na naman yung coldness, bumabalik na naman yung parang wala siyang care. So, with the Star, so eto na nga. Feeling ko na baby natin masyado itong person na to. That is true. Na baby natin in a way na may mga pagkakataon na siguro with the Star, no? We place the person in a pedestal. Merong mga pagkakataon na kahit hindi niya hinihingi, binibigay natin. Siguro up until now, ganun pa rin yung ginagawa natin. Parang naging obligasyon mo tuloy na pasayahin siya, itong relationship is maging maayos. So, okay, nandito tayo dun sa situation na gusto mo namang mabago, no? Ako naman yung pasayahin mo, ako naman yung, kumbaga, magkaroon tayo ng give and take, no? Hindi lang puro palaging give ako ng give, tas take ka lang ng take. So with the 10 of Pentacles, I think that there's somewhat, sabihin natin, mind games dito, no? 10 of Pentacles is supposedly giving everything. And nabigay mo na nga lahat. So, what am I gonna do here is probably deprive my person, siguro with my time, energy, effort, no? Ito yata yung sinasabi mo, kung hindi kita madala ng santong dasalan, edi dito tayo sa santong paspasan, no? Am I gonna give you the dose of your own medicine? I think yung ano natin dito, yung thinking natin is you're pushing me to do something that I also do not like or want to do, but you left me no choice but to do it, no? With the temperance, so ayun na. Chances are mananahimik tayo, no? We're going to test the waters. Hindi naman ito biglaan. This is not a drastic change. So, gradual ito. Nandito ka rin na parang reinventing yourself, na parang titignan mo, siguro mga isa, dalawang araw, hindi ako makikipag-usap, no? Titignan ko yung reaction ni person. Pero since nandun na nga yung part na hindi mo kayang mawala kasi din yung itong relationship. So may mga part na, oy, kamusta ka naman? Ano ka na? Nabuhay ka pa ba? No, yung mga ganyan. With the 5 of Pentacles and the 2 of Cups, medyo ang gagawin mo dito, you're gonna be trying, or you're going to try to be cold with your person. So ang nakikita natin, may pagka somewhat you're going to mirror your person's energy, somewhat lang naman, no? Pero nandun pa rin yung care, nandun pa rin yung kumbaga guidance mo, nandun pa rin yung love. Not totally na gagawin mo talaga yung sobrang ginawa ni person, no? With the Strength card, ayan. Ang kalaban mo ngayon is yung sarili mo dito with the Strength card, no? Kasi kahit gusto mo sanang makipag-usap sa kanya, mahaba, ng mahabang oras, no? Parang ikaw mismo, ikaw na yung magbibigay ng, oy, sandali lang tayo mag-uusap ha. I have errands din to do. Meron tayong, hindi ko na masyadong ibibigay yung oras ko sa'yo, no? Or itong energy ko sa'yo. So, parang gusto mong mapansin din ni person yung mga somewhat, no? Kung paano niya ikaw napa-feel sa, kung paano niya na-feel, kung paano mo na-feel yung coldness. Ayan. With the 3 of Pentacles. So, I think that your person is going to actually understand. We're going to have this enlightenment. Ganito pala yung feeling. So, clarifying the 3, sandali lang yon, no? Sandali lang daw itong part ng itong pagmamatigas mo. The reason being is because merong panunuyo, meron ditong si person yung parang pipilitin tayo, no? Ayusin, ano ba yung problem. So, siya yung mag-open up. Siya yung magtatanong, ano ba yung naging problema. So, I think that you can use that opportunity para makapagsalita ng person at sabihin, eto talaga kasi yung gusto kong mangyari, no? Eto talaga yung naging problema. Bakit ako nanahimik? It's because of you. So, you're going to use that opportunity para ma-rebuild, no, itong relationship. And I hope that you're going to use that in a proper way. No, it's not about the words, it's how it came across, no? Pwede tayong magsalita, pwede natin ipahayag ang ating nararamdaman as long as merong paggalang, as long as mahinahon, no? Or else you might gonna scare your person away. So might as well use this rightfully and use this on a proper timing. So this is your reading. Kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some question or personal questions, there's actually a link sa description box ng video na ito. So yung link na yun, dadaling kayo sa aking website. Sa website, nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Dahil discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check na, no? Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwedeng lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo. I am seeing Leo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Aries, Cancer. I'm seeing Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio is here. I am seeing Aquarius. Yeah, Aries is very dominant. Capricorn. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.